Hello, dear viewers. Assalamu alaikum. As we have discussed in previous chapters about carbon, compounds of carbon, and hydrocarbons, that is saturated and unsaturated hydrocarbons, then the types of unsaturated hydrocarbons, that's alkenes and alkynes. Today our topic is naming of hydrocarbons. A child may be called just as Saba at home, but his name in the school register may be Khurshid. Just as most of us have two names, one at home and another at school, in the same way, organic compounds have two names, common names and official names, that's IUPAC names. The official names are the systematic names of the organic compounds were given by the International Union of Pure and Applied Chemistry in 1958. So they are called IUPAC names. IUPAC, nomenclature. We will now discuss the IUPAC names of so many compounds. Nomenclature of for a hydrocarbon. But side by side, we will also give common names. In order to name a hydrocarbon by the IUPAC method, we should remember the following points. First, the number of carbon atoms in a hydrocarbon or any other organic compound is indicated by using the following stems. One carbon atom is indicated by writing meth, METH. Two carbon atoms are indicated by writing eth, ETH. Three carbon atoms are indicated by writing prop, PROP. Four carbon atoms are indicated by writing but, read but, BUT. Then five carbon atoms are indicated by writing pent. Similarly, six carbon atoms are indicated by hex, HEX. Seven carbon atoms are indicated by writing this hept, HEPT. Eight carbon atoms are indicated by writing oct. Similarly, 9 carbon atoms by non and 10 carbon atoms are indicated by writing DEC, DECK. DEC or read as DEK, DEC. A saturated hydrocarbon containing a single bond is indicated by writing the word N, ANE, after the stem, just as ALK. अगर हम पहले लिखेंगे ALK, फिर इसके साथ मिलाएंगे ANE, means alkane, ALKANE, alkane. This is the saturated hydrocarbon. An unsaturated hydrocarbon, a double bond, is indicated by writing the word ENE after the stem. जैसे हमने ALK लिखा, फिर इसके साथ मिलाया ANE, तो बन गया एल्केन, तो यह सैचुरेटेड हाइड्रोकार्बन. फिर अनसैचुरेटेड हाइड्रोकार्बन की टू टाइप्स है. अगर उसमें डबल बॉन्ड्स होंगे कार्बन कार्बन, if there is a double bond between the two carbon atoms, they are linked by double bonds and two pairs of electrons are sharing, then we can write after ALK, ENE means alkene. This is an unsaturated hydrocarbon where the carbon atoms are linked by double bonds. The third one, second type of this unsaturated hydrocarbon, if it has triple bonds, means that if the two carbon atoms are linked by triple bonds, then we have to use the word ALK and we have to add it by YNE, means ALKYNE. We can read it as alkyne. Keeping these points in mind, we can name the hydrocarbons. शुक्रिया बेटा, कल फिर मिलेंगे नेमिंग ऑफ हाइड्रोकार्बन से. विश यू ऑल द बेस्ट.